Assalamu alaikum. In this video we learn about how to download and install the latest version of Android Studio on Windows 11, and we also learn about the basic settings of Android Studio and run the first Android application on Android Studio. Let's start. First we go to our favorite search engine, right here Android Studio, and press enter. Now you can see here this first website is the Android Studio official website. So we open it, click on it. After opening this website, you can see here the latest version of Android Studio is available here. Now we click on download Android Studio. After click on download button, this document of terms and conditions will be shown. Now we scroll down and check out this checkbox. I have read and agree with the all about terms and conditions. If you want to read the all terms and conditions, you can it. Otherwise, check out this checkbox and click on download Android Studio. Now you can see here the latest version of Android Studio installer is downloading. After downloading the latest version of Android Studio installer, now we install it. Before installation of Android Studio, you must have installed Java JDK. If you do not have installed the Java JDK, you can see this video and install the latest version of Java JDK. Link of this video also given in I button and also given in description. Double click on Android Studio installer. Now we allow it to install. Click on yes. After opening this pop-up window, now we click on next. If this checkbox is unchecked, then check out and click on next. If you want to change the installation location of Android Studio, you can it. Otherwise, there is no need to change the installation location of Android Studio. I am leaving it default and click on next. Here you select the Android Studio and click on install. Now you can see here the latest version of Android Studio is installing on Windows 11. Now you can see here the installation of Android Studio is successfully completed. Now we click on next. If you want to launch the Android Studio, then you not need to uncheck this checkbox. Otherwise, uncheck it and click on finish. Now we close this folder. Now we go to search option and right here Android Studio. Now you can see here the latest version of Android Studio is here. Now we open it, double click on it. After showing this option, check out this checkbox, do not import the settings, and click on OK. Now you can see here the latest version of Android Studio is opening for first time, so it takes time because it is installing some basic components. Now you can see here the Android Studio is open. After showing this pop-up window, click on do not send. Now we click on next. If you want to customize the installation settings and installed components, you can it. For this purpose, you choose the custom option. Otherwise, check the standard option. I am selecting standard option and click on next. Here you can choose the theme of Android Studio. If you want to choose the black theme, you can choose this theme. I am selecting white theme, so I check out this checkbox and click on next. Here you can see the all installation settings. Then click on next. Now here we accept the all license. First we accept the Intel Android Extra license. Click on accept. Now we accept the Android SDK license. Click here and click on accept. Now we accept the Android SDK preview license. Click here and click on accept. Now we click on finish. Now you can see here some basic components are installing on Android Studio. Now you can see here the installation of all basic components is completed. Now we click on finish. Now you can see here the latest version of Android Studio is open on Windows 11 with all basic components. Now we create new project. Click here, new project. Now here you can choose any project. I am choosing empty activity. Choose it and click on next. Now here you write your application name. I am leaving the default name. Here you write your package name. Here you write the location where your project will be saved. Here you choose the language in which you want to write your project. I am choosing Java. Here you choose the API for Android application. You can choose any API. I am choosing default API because this API is running on 98% of devices. Now we check out this checkbox and click on finish. Now the workspace is preparing. If Windows Security show this alert, click on allow access. Now the workspace is prepared. First time workspace open like this. Now we minimize the Android Studio Assistant. Now you can see this is a section where we write the backend code of Android application. Now we go to front end section. This is a section where we design the front end of Android application. Before running this first Android application, see some basic settings. Now we go to tools. Here click on tools. Go to SDK manager. Here click on it. After opening the SDK manager, go to SDK tools and install the Android SDK command line tool. Here you can see here this command line tool are not installed. First install it. Now check out this checkbox and click on apply. Now you can see here this component is showing. Now first we install this component, so we click on OK. Now you can see here the latest version of command line is installing. Now wait for it. Now you can see here the latest version of command line is successfully installed. Now we click on finish. Now you can see here Android SDK command line tools are installed. Now we click on OK. Now first we select our device, then we run the first Android application on Android Studio. Now click here, written here no device. Click on it and select the device. Click on it and go to device manager. Here we create the virtual device. Click on create device. If you want to select TV, Wear OS, tablets or automotive, you can select, but now I am selecting mobile phone for our application. Now here we select Pixel 5 for our application and click on next. Now here we select the system image for our virtual mobile device. I am selecting API 32 image for our virtual mobile device. First we download it. Here we click on download. Now you can see here the image for our virtual mobile device is installing. It takes time, wait for it. Now you can see here the image for our virtual device is also installed. Now we click on finish. Now we select our installed image. Now we select our installed system image and click on next. Now you can see here device is selected here. Now here you can change the orientation of device. I am choosing it portrait and click on finish. Now you can see here the device is successfully created. After creating virtual mobile device, you can see here device is connected. Now we click on this option, run app. Then our Android application will be shown in virtual mobile device. But no, I am not running this Android application because this takes time to run. In this way, we can download and install the latest version of Android Studio on Windows 11 and run the first application on Android Studio. If you like this video, like it. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.